Converting XRP to BTC on Binance is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, you will need to create a Binance account and deposit XRP into it. If you already have a Binance account, log in and proceed to the next step. First, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Markets tab and select the XRP BTC trading pair. This will take you to the XRP BTC trading page where you can view the current market price and trading volume. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Market tab. In the Market tab, you will see the current market price and a box to enter the amount of XRP you want to sell. Enter the amount of XRP you want to convert to BTC and click on the Sell XRP button. Your XRP will be sold at the current market price and the equivalent amount of BTC will be credited to your account. You can view your BTC balance by navigating to the Wallet tab and selecting the BTC wallet. It is essential to note that the price of XRP and BTC can fluctuate rapidly, and the exchange rate may change during the conversion process. Additionally, Binance charges a small fee for each transaction, which will be deducted from the amount of BTC you receive. To minimize fees and get the best exchange rate, it is recommended to use the market order option and avoid using the limit order option. You should also be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits for BTC on Binance and plan your conversion accordingly. In conclusion, converting XRP to BTC on Binance is a simple and efficient process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can minimize fees and get the best exchange rate for your XRP to BTC conversion.